Oh.
But why?
Well, the first reason is I have no use of my arm, see?
Hey, what's going on over here?
This is an emergency broadcast from the government of the Concurrent Islands. 9.83 FM on radio. I repeat, 9.83 FM on radio. There is a tsunami covering the whole nation, effective immediately by 3:30 p.m. EST. I repeat, effective immediately by 3:30 p.m. EST. This tsunami has speeds up to 545 miles per hour. This tsunami reaches up to 90 feet at most. Go to the highest floor in your building. Due to lack of time, there are reports saying there are dead fish washing ashore. The water is also turning black in the southeast region. Do not drink this water. This water can get you stage 5 cancer, but also liver failure. There is traffic, so be careful driving or get out immediately. Stay safe and keep alert for more notifications. Alert, alert, alert. The killer tsunami has made the entire coast black. Reports are saying there are now dead sharks. Everyone hide in a dark room and keep a device with you. This tsunami is causing everything to collapse, including the island. This can lead to SOS distress signals. Reports also say lights in buildings turn red for 0.5 seconds before they collapse. Stay safe. Alert, 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 alert. No one has responded to our distress signals. We have to spend our last moments here. Reports are trying to swim away to the second island, but that island is deserted. We will die soon. If you have a religion, pray to your God and spend time with your family or loved ones. If you don't want to die in the hands of the killer tsunami, you can commit suicide. Thank you and goodbye.